How to clip and save web content to Evernote. Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can clip and save web content to Evernote. To do this is very simple. The first thing to do is to ensure that you have an Evernote account created already. And then once you have that ensured, just go to your web browser, then log into your Evernote account. After logging into your Evernote account, mark the name of your notebook, and then once you've marked the name of your notebook, go to your web browser, open a new tab, and in the new tab, search out Chrome Web Store. This is if you're using Chrome, alright. If you're using another browser, type out the browser's web store, where you would see a search bar. In the search bar, type out Evernote extension or Evernote web clipper. Okay, just type that out, you will see it, click on it, and then you'll see the option add to Chrome or add to the browser. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will be downloaded and it will be added as an extension to your browser automatically. Then once you have that done, the next thing for you to do is to open a new tab as well, and then type out the web page that you would like to clip and save. All right, for me this is it. And then once you've selected the web page, the next thing for you to do, once you're on the web page, is to move to the top part of the screen where your extension is located, and then click on it. Once you click on the Evernote extension, it will load, and then once it has loaded, you would see um the green highlights around the web page. That is to show that it is ready to clip this page. And then the next thing to do is just to click on save clip, and then once it's saved, it will be saved automatically to your notebook. It is that simple, right? So this is how you can clip and save web content to Evernote. Go ahead and try it out today. Thanks for watching.